Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. It's gonna go over there on there. Sorry, there's airplanes. But we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got here. Let's see if we can figure this out. Comes with a lot of strings and stickers. Wall hanger here. So this is gonna be it. Going to have a whole scene going on the garage. We're going to need a ladder. I'll figure that out. And I'll be ready. The ladder. Set up. I'll be right back. There it is. Looks pretty cool. I like it. It needs to be a little bit more taut, which I'll work on a little bit later, but I like it. Thumbs up. Very nice.